Okay, look at this, guys. What is this? That -1 in the parenthesis right there, that tells you that it's alternating. So you got to use the alternating test here. Wrong thing. There we go. So, right, if the following are met, then it converges, right? So if a sub n, if we take its limit, is equal to 0, and if a sub n plus 1 is less than or equal to a sub n. Okay. So let's do that. Wrong tab. Okay. And note that a sub n is only going to be, in this case, ln of n. Okay. So, if we take the limit as n goes to infinity for ln n, we get a indeterminate form if we go right away. Right, we go indeterminate. Not very good. Okay. So, what do we need to do? We need to use L'Hopital's rule. So, take the ddn of this limit as n goes to infinity for ln n. What do we get? We get the fact that we get 1 over n and 1. Which is what? It's just 1 over infinity, which is 0. So we get 0. And then let's go back to, what does that mean? So it's equal to 0. Okay, condition 1 is met. Let's see if a sub n plus 1 is less than or equal to a sub n. Okay. So a sub n plus 1 in this case would be ln n plus 1 n plus 1. And is this greater than a sub n? A sub n is equal to ln n plus n. And in theory, should it be? Let's just check with like a number, a random number. Let's just check with 1. Okay, if you check with 1, you can just think about it in your head already. If we put 1 into this guy right here, put 1 into here, this is 0, so it already is. If you put, let's just think of another number, 2. Okay, this would be bigger now. This would still be bigger. Put it in your calculator, this is bigger. Okay. So, 2 conditions are met. If those 2 conditions are met, then we know it converges. And what's the test called? It is called the alternating series test. Okay. I want to get back to alternate. Oh, damn it. Yes. Okay, let's go and write that down. Alternating series tests. Alternating series test. So it's funny because it's alternating series and it converges. There we go. That's your answer. Sorry, one second. I should have mentioned that this, look at this, this starts at n equals 3. So then start it at n equals 3 and then verify for yourself any numbers past n equals 3 that this statement is still true. So it qualifies for the alternating series test because this is true, and when you do this, right, and you work it out using L'Hopital's rule, you do get 0, which is one of the other conditions. Okay, there you go.